word about number 3. 三 in Chinese is called 不三不四。不 bu last tone. 不 in Chinese means no, not. 三 means 3 and 四 means 4. 不三不四 literally means not 3, not 4. But in Chinese, actually, this is a very funny word. As an adjective, we use 不三不四 to describe someone who's kind of, how do you say, like when your mom tell you not to hang out with some friends because they're bad influence. So usually the parent will say, don't hang out with those 不三不四 friend. So 不三不四 is kind of to describe someone who's not doing anything serious of his or her life and wasting time and as a friend can be a bad influence, that kind of people. So you can say 不三不四的朋友 okay? 不三不四的朋友朋友 friends. So 不三不四的朋友 bad influence friend. Alright, so that's the second word about number 3. Oh my god, I think we are putting a lot of bad things on number 3 today. It's not a bad word. It's not a bad number in Chinese, okay? It's not those numbers Chinese consider it as an unlucky number. It's not. But they're just a bunch of funny words related to number 3. But number 3 is a okay number, alright? Alright? So 不三不四不三不四不三不四的朋友 bad influence friend.